Google Sites Tutorial for Beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to this video where I'll be sharing some essential beginner's guides who are creating a website with Google Sites. If you're new to Google Sites and finding it a bit challenging, this video is here to help you out. Let's dive right into it. First and foremost, head over to sites.google.com. You'll land on the Google Sites homepage where you can sign in for free. Google Sites is a fantastic platform for creating websites, including landing pages and much more. Now, let's explore some of the valuable guide I have for you. First, be aware that Google Sites offers a template gallery. Many people aren't aware of this feature. When they visit Google Sites, they either start with a blank page or think there are only 4 templates available: Event, Portfolio, Help Center, or Project. However, if you click on the template gallery at the top, it opens a drop-down menu with more template options. This is actually quite impressive. You'll find various template categories to choose from. We have work templates, including Event, Help Center, Project, and Team templates. Then, there are small business templates, which are particularly essential. With these templates, you can create a business website for various purposes, such as dog walker services, Christmas parties, photo portfolios, and even restaurant or salon websites. Scrolling further, we have educational templates, including student portfolio, club, and class templates. These templates are genuinely useful and impressive. All you need to do is select a template that suits your needs. For instance, if you want to create a restaurant website, click on the restaurant template, and it will take you to the website builder with a ready-made template. You won't have to start from scratch. Everything is set up for you, and you can customize it to your liking. As you can see, the restaurant template includes sections like the menu, different pages, reviews, and banner images. This is where you'll perform your customization. Remember, there's no need to start from scratch, as Google Sites provides various templates to choose from. After you've entered your website builder, there are several important considerations to keep in mind. Click on Settings at the top. When you do, you'll discover a variety of options that many people might not be aware of. For example, you'll find navigation and modes options. The modes can be set to either top or side. If you choose side, the navigation will shift to the side of the website. This is a significant aspect to be aware of. Next, there's color. You can modify the navigation color to white, black, or transparent. If you prefer a transparent navigation, you can select that option. Alternatively, you can opt for black or white. Now, let's talk about brand images. You can upload a logo and a favicon from this section. Many people wonder how to upload a logo or a favicon on Google Sites. It's simple. Just go to Settings, then select Brand Images, and you can upload a logo image right here. Click on Upload, and it will enable you to upload an image from your computer, any logo that you have created. Similarly, you can select a favicon here. A favicon is the small icon displayed in the browser search bar when you visit a website. You can see that each website has its own favicon. This is how you upload a logo and favicon. Moving on, we have the custom domain option. With Google Sites, a domain is provided when you create a website. However, if you wish to have your own custom domain or connect an existing one, you can access the custom domain option here. It allows you to obtain a domain of your choice. Next, there's Analytics. You can integrate your Google Analytics with your Google Sites. To do this, simply click on Enable Analytics and enter the measurement ID. If you already have a Google Analytics account, go to that account, retrieve the ID, and paste it here. After that, click Enable, and in just one step, you can connect your site to your Google Analytics account to access insights and metrics on site usage. These are some of the tips to keep in mind within the settings of your Google Sites. Now, let me show you some customization tips and tricks. When you're editing a website on Google Sites and want to edit the footer, click on the Edit Footer option. You'll notice that you can add a website and small text. But what if you want to include social media links in your footer? To do that, click on the Social Links option and enter your social media links. For example, let's add Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram links. Twitter.com, Facebook.com, and Instagram.com. These will be the links to your social media profiles. Next, you can insert a logo. This is important for the small icon to appear. Instead of uploading, simply click on the Select option here. You can choose an image from Google Images or even search for images. Let's search for Twitter in Google Images. There you go. You can search for any image on the internet and add it to your Google site. I will select this one, and it will be added as a small icon right here. Perfect. Next, click on Facebook. This time, I will find a Facebook image to add to my social links, like so. You can search for anything. Let's go with this one. Click on Insert. Similarly, I'll select Instagram. By doing this, you can see that we have added the images. Click Insert, and it will be added. Now they are added as separate sections here. What we can do is drag and drop them inside our footer. I'll place them here. Now, you can see they have been added inside my footer. This is a great way to include social media links in your footer. Additionally, you can add more information as needed. There you go, and it will create a perfect footer. Now, we have the social links in the footer. This is how you can add them. When it comes to insert, you can scroll down, and you'll be able to add documents, slides, sheets, forms, and charts. All of these are available from Google. These include Google Forms, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. Now, this is actually a pretty efficient way to insert files directly from these platforms, including our Google Drive. One of the most impressive aspects of Google Sites is that you don't need to use third-party tools or other paid platforms to create forms, sheets, documents, or contact forms with custom designs. You can simply use Google Forms for this purpose. What you do is click on Forms, and it will give you access to your Google Forms here. You can either create a brand new form or use an existing one that you've already created, keeping it ready, and then insert it into your website. When it comes to managing pages, click on the three dots and select Duplicate Page. If you're working on a page and you're not entirely sure about it, or you feel the need for a backup, you can create a duplicate. This way, if something goes wrong, you'll have a duplicate page available to continue working. When it comes to these three dots, you'll also find a subpage option. If you want to create a subpage for a page, you can do so from this option here. Regarding the menu at the top, you'll be able to see all the menu options, and you can now create more than one page and even filter the pages from here. If you wish to upload a custom theme, simply go to the Themes section. Here, you can either create a theme or import one. Click on Import, and it will allow you to import a theme from any other platform or hosting website you prefer. Choose Create Theme, and you can design your own theme by adding a logo, banner image, and selecting colors. This is particularly interesting because you can customize your colors right here. Let's say I want to use something like this as my color palette. This way, my website will have this theme. It offers you complete freedom when it comes to theme colors. Next, we have fonts. Here, you can select fonts for titles, headings, and body text. Let's say I'm going to choose this one. Now, you can see we have 3 steps to create a theme of our own. Click on Create Theme, and it will be created. This one is currently untitled. Let's name it Test. Click Enter, and now we have our new theme that we created ourselves. This way, you can create as many themes as you want. If not, you can certainly use the free version as well. That's it for this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. With that said, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.